Question number 78. Question number 78. See here. These are all very easy questions once you understand it. Question number 78. Now see here. This kind of question, from here we will solve another variety of questions. From question number 78 onwards, it is slightly a different variety of question. Now see here, sir. P plus 1 by P is given as 5, but it's not a difficult question. These are all something which we have done it, but the finding condition is something little lengthier. Now see here, whether it is lengthy or whatever it is, if you know the logic, it's quite simple to solve. What is that they are asking us to find? P power 4 plus 3p cube plus 5p square plus 3p plus 1. This 1 is nothing but p power 0, right? Don't forget that. 1 is nothing but p power 0 divided by p power 4 plus 1. Again this 1 is nothing but p power 0. Now see here, sir. Can I say that? Can I say like this? This is p power 4. This is p power 0. That means I have p power 4 with me. I have p power 0 with me. I will take the median of it. I will take the middle value of it. That means the p power 4, p power 0, the middle value is p power 2. I will divide by p power 2 in the denominator. I will also divide by p power 2 in the numerator. Directly let me write it in the next screen, sir. P power 4 divided by p square. This becomes p square plus, let me write it, 3p cube by p square, 5p square by p square. 3p cube by p square is nothing but 3p. 5p square by p square is nothing but 5 plus next two terms. 3p divided by p square, 1 by p square. 3p divided by p square is nothing but 3 by p plus 1 by p square. I will write it as it is. Whole thing divided by p power 4 by p square is p square plus 1 by p square. I will write it as it is. Now this question is a very easy question, because what is given in the question? P plus 1 by p value is given in the question as 5. If p plus 1 by p is 5, we know that p square plus 1 by p square, red color marked ones, p square plus 1 by p square, it is nothing but pi square minus 2, k square minus 2. That means p square plus 1 by p square is 25 minus 2, which is 23. That means denominator p square plus 1 by p square also will become 23. Plus, if you observe carefully, there are three more terms. The second term is 3p plus 3 by p and the other term is 5. But if you are really smart enough, you don't even have to solve the further questions, but actually you should solve it in this question, sir, because what I actually thought is the denominator should be 23. Only one option I thought, but there are two options. Either option A should be correct or option C should be correct. But assume that if at all option A is correct, by chance, sorry, not option A, assume that there was only one option which is having denominator 23, you don't even have to calculate this value and add 5. It's waste of time. But because there is no other way for that in this question, we need to do it. That means, can I say that 3p plus 3 by p is 3 into p plus 1 by p. P plus 1 by p is 5. 3 into 5 is 15 plus this particular 5, I will write it as it is. So 23 plus 20, 43 divided by 23 should be the answer, which is nothing but option A. Option C will be incorrect. The question is not difficult. Question is very easy. Only thing is you should realize that you should divide by p square in both numerator and denominator. How did I find it that you should divide by p square? One of the way of analyzing is, this is p power 4, the highest power is p power 4, lowest power is p power 0, so median is p square. That is what I divided with, right? That is what I divided with. This is the way you need to apply for it. Now, in this particular question, you have been given with p and reciprocal of p sum. P plus 1 by p is what you are giving in, what they are giving in this question. See the next question, question number 79. Similar kind of question, but in this question, they are not giving you m plus 1 by m value. They are not giving you m plus 1 by m value. They are only giving you m value. M value is nothing but 3 plus 2 root 2. But we know from our basic level of questions, which I have solved in probably first 15 to 20 questions, we know that if m value is given, m plus 1 by m can be easily calculated as 2 times of the bigger number 3. 2 times of the bigger number 3. So m plus 1 by m is nothing but equal to 6. But don't ever forget the condition for this. This m value, if it is 3 plus 2 root 2, m plus m 1 by m is 2 times of bigger value 3. 2 times of 3 is equal to 6. This is true only when the square of this 3, that is 9, and the square of this 2 root 2, that is 8. If the difference between their squares is 1, don't forget the previous examples, previous concepts. Root of a square minus root of b square, if it is only 1, only if the root of a square minus root of b square, if it is equal to 1, then you can write m plus 1 by m as 2 times of the bigger value. Yes, in this question also it is becoming 1. Therefore, I could take it as 6. Now, this is what I have with me, right? I know the value of m plus 1 by m as 6. That means in this question they directly did not give you m plus 1 by m. They only gave you m value. But I calculated m plus 1 by m one extra step. So, compared to previous question 78, compared to this question where they have directly given you p plus 1 by p, I did one extra step in 79th question in finding out m plus 1 by m value. And after you do this, the next process is quite similar to my previous question. That means, let me not write the entire thing and waste our time, sir. The highest power is, or you don't even have to take highest power and lowest power. Okay, if you analyze in that way also, highest power is m power 6, lowest power is 1 is nothing but m power 0. So middle of that is m power 3. So divide numerator and divide denominator by m power 3, or simple, in the denominator it is only one term which is present. So you can directly divide m power 6 by m power 3. This is m power 3. I am writing directly instead of writing the entire thing once again and then writing it. So m power 6 by m power 3, the direct you can write it as m power 3. Just a minute, sir. Sometimes my pen tablet won't work. It is m power 3 plus, I will rearrange in the way I require. 1 divided, last term 1 divided by m power 3 is nothing but 1 by m power 3. I will rearrange it right now itself so that I don't need to rearrange once again. Next, m power 5 by m power 3, it is nothing but m square, plus m divided by m power 3, it is nothing but 1 by m square, plus m power 4 by m power 3, it is nothing but m, plus m square divided by m cube, it is nothing but 1 by m, and only the middle term is left right now, m cube divided by m cube, that is nothing but 1. That means m power 3 plus 1 by m power 3, m square plus 1 by m square, m plus 1 by m, 1. All these values can be easily calculated because I know the value of m plus 1 by m. If m plus 1 by m equal to 6, m cube plus 1 by m cube will be equal to 6 cube minus 3 into 6. This value is 216 minus 18, which is 198, plus m square plus 1 by m square will be 6 square minus 2, which is 36 minus 2, plus m plus 1 by m is known to us directly as 6 plus 1. So can I say that your final answer is 216 minus 18 is 198. 198 plus 34, it is nothing but 198 plus 4 is 202. 202 plus 30 is 232, plus 6 is 238, plus 1 is 239. Answer for this question is very simple, which is 239. Option B. That means there is no difference between question 78 and 79, except that in 78 directly they have given this, in 79 I found out that value. I hope the idea is very, very clear for you people. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Next, question number 80. Very much similar. I am just giving these questions for your practice so that you will understand it much better when I solve it. Question number 80. p minus 1 by p value is given. So in this question they have directly given p minus 1 by p. They are not telling you to find out p minus 1 by p like previous question. Directly they have given. So no headache. P power 6 minus 1 by p power 4 is what I need to find. P square, 4p square plus 6p minus 4 is what I need to find. Now same logic I would like to implement here, but in the previous two questions I said median value I will divide with, but simply small analysis if I do it, I can get which number I should divide with. Now see here sir, let me write it. P power 6 minus 1 by p power 4 I need, right? 1 by p power 4 it is what is asked in the question, whole thing divided by 4p square plus 6p minus 4. This is also what is being asked. Now see here, in the previous cases we told the highest power is 6, the lowest power is 4 into p power 0, so median is p cube, so I will divide by p cube, right? I will be divide by p cube, but think little logically sir, it will be slightly complicated if you actually divide by p cube. Why it will be slightly complicated if I divide by p cube? Now see here, if I divide by p cube here, p power 6 by p cube is very happy, it is p power 3, but the next term is 1 by p power 4 divided by p cube, it becomes 1 by p power 7. It is very complicated, so I will not divide by p cube, I will just divide, instead of dividing by p cube, I will just divide by p. You might ask me, sir, even if you divide by p also, you will get it as 1 by p power 5. That is much more comfortable compared to 1 by p power 7, right? I hope you agree with that. So I will just divide by p. If I simplify further, this entire thing becomes p power 6 by p, it is nothing but p power 5, it is nothing but p power 5 minus 1 by p power 4 by p, it is 1 by p power 5, right? 1 by p power 5. Now I don't know how to find p power 5 by 1 by p power 5 as of now, because we have never solved any questions of power 5. The maximum power what we have solved till now is only power 3, but still we will find out a way, nothing to worry. Divided by 4p square by p, it is 4p plus 6p by p, it is 6 minus 4 by p. This is what I have with me. Now this is not at all a difficult task in the denominator, because the denominator is 4p minus 4 by p, 4 common factor, p into p minus 1 by p. P minus 1 by p value is known to us as 3. That means 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. That means I already got my denominator value as 18. I already got my denominator value as 18. There is no headache for me in the denominator at all. But all the headache right now happens in numerator, because numerator is p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5. I never solved even a single question in the last 79 questions which has a power 4 or greater than 4. But right now I have p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5. How to tackle that? Now see here, first of all, to be very smart, if we want to try to become little smart, the denominator is 18. That means answer option should have 18 or multiples or factors of 18, but unfortunately all the options are having 6 in the denominator, which is a factor of 18. So you cannot decide by answer options and try to be little smart. So smartness in this question will not work. I should somehow find a way to find p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5. Now see here sir, I want to find p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5. First of all, what is given in the question? P minus 1 by p. Whenever I have p minus 1 by p, I can easily find p square plus 1 by p square. That is not a difficult task. Because I have minus in between, I can also find p cube minus 1 by p cube. That means, can I say that I can find p square plus 1 by p square value, and p cube minus 1 by p cube also I can find. Sir, why are you putting minus here? Because question is giving you the value of p minus 1 by p. That is the reason minus. If I simplify this further, this becomes p square into p cube. It is p power 5. P square into minus 1 by p cube, it is minus 1 by p, plus p 1 by p square into p cube, it is p plus into minus is minus 1 by p square into 1 by p cube. It is 1 by p power 5. That means this p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5 is what we are interested with. Put it on the right one of the side, any one of the side. P power 5 minus 1 by p power 5. I will keep it here on the right hand side. The remaining all the things, p square plus 1 by p square, p cube minus 1 by p cube, and this side p plus p minus 1 by p is what I have on the right hand side. If I shift it to the left hand side, that p minus 1 by p, I will write it as it is, combining that entire thing which was plus earlier will become minus here. I hope the idea is clear for you. That means whenever, anyway, do not worry too much about it. We will solve so many questions in future which are having p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5 format. But for time being, whenever you want to find p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5, the easiest way of finding it is multiply p square plus 1 by p square and p cube minus 1 by p cube, which are very easy. Along with that, subtract with p minus 1 by p. Now this value I need to find, and I know that p minus 1 by p value is 3. So p square minus 1 by p square value will be 3 square plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. P cube minus 1 by p cube value will be 3 cube plus 3k. So it is 9. 3 cube is 27 plus 3 into 3 into 3 is 9 minus p minus 1 by p value is known to as 3. So final answer for this question is 11 into 36 minus 3. 36 into 10 is 360. 36 into 11 is, add another 36 to 360, 396 minus 3. It is 393. That means your numerator p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5. We got the value right now as 393, but the answer is not given in terms of improper fraction, it is given in terms of mixed fraction. But still further you can simplify this actually. That means how can I simplify this? This is nothing but 3 into 6. This is nothing but 3 into 131. 131 divided by 6 is nothing but 21 5 by 6. Trust me sir, it is not a difficult question. Only thing you should find this p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5 value in this question, which will take little time. But I don't think that you should write down all these things in the examination hall, and probably right now you might feel difficult in solving p power 5 minus 1 by p power 5. But take my words, as I proceed with my problems and when I start taking higher powers in my upcoming classes, this question also looks very easy and simple and less time consuming for you people. But as of now, I believe that for time being this is very clear for you people. Question number 81. Question number 81. Very easy question sir, not at all a difficult task. M into m minus 12 plus 1 equal to 0. See, you should always try to do it in your mind itself. M square minus 12m plus 1 equal to 0. That means from that I can write m plus 1 by m is equal to minus 12, shift to the left hand side, it becomes plus 12. Very easy. Now if you try to group it in a proper order, your job is done. M cube plus 1 by m cube. Now if I know m plus 1 by m, m cube plus 1 by m cube will be 12 cube minus 3 times of 12. That means I know the value of m cube plus 1 by m cube. This is completed right now, right? This is completed right now. Plus m square plus 1 by m square. If I know m plus 1 by m as 12, m square plus 1 by m square will be 12 square minus 2. So it is 144 plus m plus 1 by m. It is directly known to as 12. Now you don't suppose, see, it's very simple sir. You should actually know the value of 12 cube. 1728 minus 36. You will get the answers, all those things, and you should simplify. But you don't need to do if you are smart enough, because 12 cube unit digit is 2. 2 cube is 8, right? 12 unit digit is 2, 2 cube is 8. 8 is the unit digit here, minus 3 into 2 is 6, 8 minus 6 plus 12 square is 144, 144 minus 2, this entire thing unit digit is 4, plus 12 unit digit is 2. Can I say that can I say, sorry, this is small mistake, sir. 12 square is 144. 144 unit digit is 4, and then this minus 2 I will write it as it is, or the entire thing unit digit is 2, right? So and this 2 I wrote it as it is. So now minus 2 plus 2 cancels. This is 8 plus 4 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Unit digit in the answer should be 6. Only one option. Sir, how will I identify that I should work with unit digit concept only? Very simple, sir. 12 cube, all those things are slightly bigger numbers. When you get any of these kind of simplification, for a second just see all the answer options and just check out whether all the answer options are having different unit digit. If you are having different unit digit in all the answer options, the best way of solving is by using unit digit concept. Don't even have to think twice about it also. Best way is to solve it by using unit digit concept. I hope the idea is clear for you people. Question number 82. Question number 82, very beautiful question, extremely important variety of question. This is your examination question, CGL 2017 prelims question. The same question I have taken with a change in variable, that's all, nothing else. The same question I have taken. P minus 1 by P is equal to 3, that is the given question. Find the value of 2p power 4 plus 3p cube plus 13p square minus 3p plus 2 whole thing divided by 3p power 4 plus 3. Now see here, sir, I already gave you how to solve this kind of question. The idea is already given to you. Very simple. The highest power is p power 4, lowest power is p power 0, the median is p power 2. That means numerator I will divide by p square, denominator also I will divide by p square. I will not write the entire thing once again and waste my time. 2p power 4 by p square, it is 2p square, it is 2p square plus 3p cube by p square, it is 3p plus 13p square by p square is 13 minus 3p by p square, it is 3 by p plus 2 by p square. I will write it as it is. Whole thing divided by the denominator is 3p power 4 by p square, it is 3p square plus 3 divided by p square. I will write it as it is. That means it is exactly similar to, I think, 78 and 79th question if I am not wrong. Exactly similar to those. I know the value of p minus 1 by p as 3. When I know p minus 1 by p as 3, p square plus 1 by p square is, it is nothing but 3 square plus 2. That means 3 square plus 2 is nothing but it is 11. But it is 2p square plus 2 by p square. So it is 2 into 11, which is 22. Numerator is 22. Here also it is 3 into p square plus 1 by p square. 3 into that is, it is 33. That means answer denominator should be 33, or it should be a multiple or factor of 33. But unfortunately all the 4 options are having factors of 33, which is 3. I cannot judge by answer option. Next, continue further. It is nothing but, this is nothing but 3p minus 3 by p. 3 common factor, p minus 1 by p. P minus 1 by p is given in the question as 3. So 3 into 3 is 9 plus 13. So final answer becomes 13 plus 9 is 22, 22 plus 22 is 44, 44 divided by 33, 11 into 4 is 44, 11 into 3 is 33, answer is 4 by 3. These are all your original examination questions, sir. Trust me, they are so simple. You say that SSC CGL examination is a very difficult question. I say that you did not understand in the way it has to be solved, and therefore it is difficult. And if you start solving the methodology what we are teaching, it trust me, it becomes very easy for you people. See the next question. I am not joking. The next question, whatever you are seeing right now on the screen, whatever the question which is there on the screen right now, it is your 2017 mains question. The question looks very difficult because first thing it is given in terms of third. First thing it is third. Second thing is it is so much of bigger equation that we need to find. It is your 2017 main question, but it is the most easiest question. See here, sir, the most easiest question is this question. See here, question says P is equal to 2 plus root 3, Q is equal to 2 minus root 3, R value is given as 1. When you observe P and Q, one is 2 plus root 3, the other is 2 minus root 3. If you want, you can check it out. They are reciprocals of each other. That means P into Q, the product will be equal to 1. You can check it out if you want. So that is equal to 1. And the other big catch in this question is R value is given in the question as 1. That means in whatever we need to find in this equation, wherever you have R, put it as 1. The first term becomes P by Q into 1. Second term is Q by P into 1. Third term is R value is 1. PQ value is also 1. 1 by 1, it is nothing but 1. Fourth term is 2 times of, it is 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R. R value is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. This is what they are basically asking you to find. Now, is it difficult, sir? Definitely it should not be difficult, because I am damn sure that this kind of shortcuts we have solved it earlier in our basic level of questions. Whenever you want to find P by Q, 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 added with its reciprocal Q by P, directly you can get the equation for this as 2 into this 2 can be written as root 4. This 2 can be written as root 4. Don't worry about the sign. Just write the same thing. 4 and 3, and denominator also 4 and 3. Numerator is always addition, denominator is always subtraction. This kind of problem we have solved so many times, sir. Don't expect me to teach you again and again all these things. Never ever forget the past what we have taught you people. So whenever you are trying to add any reciprocals, it is 2 times of this 2 can be written as root 4. Root 4 plus root 3 plus and root 4 minus root 3 is what we have the values of Q and P and Q. So forget about square root, forget about sign. Just write as it is. This is 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Put addition in the numerator, subtraction in the denominator. Simple. Plus 1, I will write it as it is. 2 times of. Now see here, see how simple it is. 1 by P, P value is 2 plus root 3. 1 by P value is 2 minus root 3. Q value is 2 minus root 3. 1 by Q value is 2 plus root 3. So 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3. Minus root 3 plus root 3 cancels. 2 plus 2 is 4. And this one I will write it as it is. The most easiest question. Most easiest. So this can be simplified. 2 into 4 plus 3 is 7 by 1. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 4 plus 1 5. 5 times of 2 is 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. Answer for this original SSC 2017 mains question is, it is 25. Don't look at the question in the way it is given. Look at the question in the way you can simplify it, and rest all becomes very easy if you understand the pattern. I hope the idea is clear. See the next question, sir. Exactly similar, almost similar to 83rd question. 84th question is what I have. Now, can I say only m value is given in the question? Only m value is given in the question, but I always want m plus 1 by m value. So a value added with the reciprocals, it is 2 times of root 5 root 3 root 5 root 3 is there. Forget about the root and sign. Just write it as 5 and 3 in the numerator, 5 and 3 in the denominator. Always the numerator will be plus, denominator will be minus. 5 minus 3 is 2. This cancels with the numerator 2. M plus 1 by m is 5 plus 3, 8. Now, the moment you get m plus 1 by m value, what is that they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find this particular equation. But this is m power 6. 1 is m power 0. The median is m power 3. I will divide numerator by m power 3. I will also divide denominator by m power 3. I am not writing it once again and wasting time. I am sure that you are understanding. M power 6 by m power 3. It is m power 3 plus 1 divided by m power 3. I am trying to adjust and manipulate here itself. 1 divided by m power 3. I will write it as it is, plus 4 m power 5 by m power 3. So it is 4 times of m power 5 by m power 3 is nothing but how much, sir? It is m square, plus 4 m by m power 3. M divided by m power 3 is, it is 4 m square. 4 into 1 by m square. So I will take 4 common factor and write it, plus the remaining term is 2 m cube by m cube. 2 into 1. So this is what I have in the numerator. Whole thing divided by 4 m power 5 by m power 3. It is 4 into m square, plus the last term is 4 m by m power 3. It is 4 into m by m power 3 is 1 by m square. So 4 I took common factor, plus 5 m cube by m cube. It is 5. This is how you should directly write it. In fact, I will be even more happy. You will not even write this. Instead of writing m cube plus 1 by m cube, calculate the value of m cube plus 1 by m cube directly, because you know the value of m plus 1 by m as 8. So now it is very simple, sir. M plus 1 by m is 8. So m cube plus 1 by m cube will be 8 cube minus 3 into 8. 8 cube is 512. 512 minus 3 times of 8. It is 24. 512 minus 24. First value is 488. Plus 4 into m square plus 1 by m square will be 8 square minus 2. 64 minus 2. It is 62, plus 2. Whole thing divided by 4 into m square plus 1 by m square is 62 once again, plus 5. Now if you are little smart, 488 plus 4 into 62 plus 2, little time consuming process. That is where I want you to become smart. See the denominator, sir. See the denominator. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Unit digit I am trying to work with. 4 into 2 is 8 added with 5. That means unit digit in the denominator should be 3. The only option which is having unit digit in the denominator 3 is 253. Mark it and go ahead. Unless and until they are not further simplified, or you can check it out. It's not a difficult task. 62 into 4. 60 into 4 is 240. 240. 2 into 4 is 8. 248 plus 5, it is 253. Denominator should be 253, or it should be a multiple or a factor of 253. There is only one option, which is 253 or its multiples or factors. So answer for this question is 738. That means we did not even calculate the numerator value. So we already came to know from the answer option that the numerator value is 738. Answer is option C. So don't waste your time, sir. Your time is very precious, and I am telling you from so many questions also that your time is extremely precious. So save your time by using this kind of smarter approaches, and thereby you will win the race. I hope the idea is very, very clear for you people.